Hello Amazon, it's Amy here with 911 Studios, and today we're talking about some of our favorite summer products on all of Amazon. And you guys, I love this one. I love camping, so this is just an amazing tent. It's the CAMPROS 8-person tent, 9-person maybe if you are very close. The point is, it's a really big tent. It is so cool. It easily fits 8 sleeping bags or, and this is a smart way to do it guys, 3 queen size mattresses. So this is like your tent for slumber parties, you guys. Super fun. Grab a group of friends, grab your family, and get outdoors. It's definitely the season for it. This tent is windproof, waterproof, and really important here, it is easy to set up. You can put it together, 2 people, it's gonna take you about 5 minutes. It's really easy. Just as important as setup is taking down. It fits and it comes with a carrying bag. It's going to fit back in there easily. So often you get a tent and it's almost impossible to put back away like it came. Not the case of the CAMPROS. It's going to easily go back in the bag, and the bag is about the size of a sleeping bag, so you can throw it in the back of the trunk. Even if you have a smaller vehicle, it's gonna fit. So there's no excuses not to get out and have some fun with your family and friends. This is super high quality and no worries on purchasing it. CAMPROS stands by and they are going to give you a 1-year warranty. Plus, if you order on Amazon, you're getting that A to Z guarantee, so you have that 30-day risk-free period as well. So you guys go ahead and put this in your cart. You're gonna be really happy you did.